So I'm just trying to think, I don't know what she wants me to pay. I think I was doing 2 times a week before, but she could probably use 3 times a week for training for a while, I would think.
Yeah.
And then you could probably take that over.
With her too.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll ask her what you can ask her what she wants to do, but it'd be nice if she could stay for a while. To stay for winter, it'd be fun to have you over here. And you
don't
to
go
bring
back
your...
to the barn anymore because Amy was Spice. She left because
Yeah.
she got married and they moved to Hutchinson.
Uh-huh.
So she's gone. So like I go there and it's like, no over there.
Well, in weekends, especially if it's here on weekends.
No, it's there when I'm there on weekends. Like Saturday afternoon. Sometimes Shelly's has 100 people in there. But like everyone who jumps is there in the morning.
Yeah.
So it's like no one's there in the morning. And like Sunday afternoon is like since Kristen left, no one's there.
Yeah.
Literally like at the barn to myself on the weekends.
Yeah, well, we're usually here on the weekends. You kind of have the barn to yourself on weekdays, like when I covered Tracy nights, everybody are here. Like I usually do one more time on a weekday. Oh,
It's really awesome show. It's a beautiful place.
Too bad you couldn't be outside maybe next time when you come.
It was actually nice inside.
Yeah, it was. It's a nice arena. Horses like this arena.
So thank you.
Yeah.
Pass it on.
Yeah, well, you should wait to get your scores. Don't go yet.
Oh, I thought we just had it.
No, that's the second one. You just got your first one. This is the last one, so they should be ready pretty soon.
The first test is scored already, so we did test 1.
Yeah. Should be some more ribbons over there. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
we'll score this one.
Come back. We have another one every month.
Yeah, I thought you guys were having 3 and
You
it's
know,
like,
some
no,
are
we're
doing
having
5.
Jamie's an overachiever.
She's never cheated. She is.
Once you get it down, though, it's not that
nice
bad.
to have one local. There aren't that many local. I mean, Rocking Horse, they do a nice job, and Northland,
And that's
but that's
not
about
really
it.
local either. It's an hour and a half from
I mean, Northland's probably the closest one I've been there.
That's probably the closest.
Once we
People
went over
catch
there
on.
once,
Yeah.
I like that people are coming from different areas.
We
Yeah.
too.
Len and Jackie at Northland donated a couple horses to the Southwest State Agriculture team marathon.
Oh yeah.
So one time, I don't know why, our coach was like, we're going to go down there for a schooling show. So we drove from South Dakota
Oh,
for the
God.
schooling show. And but no one else was there, so it was just us. We like did every single jumping class. There was 3 of us, and we just rotated horses. Like we drew us like, oh, I have Dinky this round, and like,
Oh
off
wow.
we'd go.
There's nobody else
No,
there.
there was like one other person doing like X-rails, and we were there was no one for like 5 or 6 weeks. No, it was just us. It was actually fun. They have a tiny little barn.
Yeah, but they're so user friendly though. That's nice.
They're expensive.
I stayed there.
Oh, that worked out. This place looks like it's at a show. Look at it.
Yeah, that's what we'll do that. Not
Yeah.
too bad.
That's good. We need to get some.
Stuff in this.
I don't know, these stalls probably not good.
No, they've all been cleaning them. Yeah,
So I should clean this.
I guess so. Everybody else has.
He's not that messy.
I know, I got stuff to pack up too, but I'm just gonna wait till this is done and then I can back my truck up. And then,
Well, that worked out pretty well that you get to at least sit on the game.
yeah, I think people liked it for me to, let them know at 10 minutes and that kind of thing.
It worked out having it inside. You didn't have to run between the one arena and
Yeah.
the other. You could just tell
Yeah.
from here.
Yeah, that did work out. I think it's good to have one person that's not riding. Because then you can kind of catch up where everybody else is.
This was a lot easier to manage this way. I mean, we kept up with everything really well.
I'm just hoping this saddle fits her.
Mary Beth thinks that her back is going to be just like, well, I've got that Albion that should fit her. She
It's
thinks.
fit every horse I've leased in
Yeah.
the past 8 years, except for, I didn't really lease Impulse, but except for Impulse.
Mine
And it
might
was
be a little wider.
horrible.
Yours might fit her better, actually, for a while till she fills out.
I
She's probably
hope
gonna
so.
fill out
I
a
love
lot.
this saddle.
Oh, good.
This is the saddle Mary Beth had with Chris.
Yeah, and then I took
And
it
then she
over,
sold it to Linda because it didn't fit Cognac for a while.
and then
And
Laura
then I
got
bought
it.
it and it fits like
Everybody?
everyone I've had, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought Chris was big.
No, this is the saddle she had on it.
Yeah.
That's what,
Yeah,
and
I
it's
thought
But my
he
herbs,
was bigger
my
than
herbs kind of like got like,
she told me it was like legs.
it was like,
You know, it was nice
I never
when we,
saw it.
oh, I did.
I was still riding.
but he's got the collection. I
Yeah, I
think,
think
yeah,
you did.
when he gets
I
himself
didn't ride
there.
Mary Beth in 2005.
Okay.
The last time we went past
So
him,
did I have I done around that wrong? Maybe I'll just have pictures of them.
he
I don't
started to
know.
float.
I never saw him. Not
in his
as I
truck.
remember.
And,
She could have brought him to a show, I don't know.
really ride him nice in the lap.
I think so.
That was back from Road Freedom
And
Days.
he's riding forward. And so the kind of the last little piece is gonna be, and he's, you know,
Black, yellow,
might be
blue,
hard
and
for him, because he's got a
Lisa,
thicker jowl, and
Max
he's got the top of his neck, and it's just hard for him to flex. Like he's doing it now.
That was when I had
But as you
mine.
get into more,
You were
through
there
into
for
that
me
round
when I
frame,
first got there,
I
that
think
it was
his knees will start
Yeah.
to move,
Fred
you know,
put
get
his
more
soul.
buoyant. He really
Maybe,
moves
you know, a
decent
couple
for a little guy.
years
See, I was
before.
there.
Canvas
you
with
know,
balance.
I would have been in college around that time.
Just watch
Yeah.
out
So
for
it's like I was there
his
on
neck.
breaks.
Cause I don't remember, yeah, I don't remember seeing
Counter
him
camera
on
work.
before.
And if
I
you like
remember
you
riding.
like when your leg living away from, well, this is tight, and then you're going from A to X.
But I don't think you were there.
Way too big.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I was
be
in my
careful
class.
not to
I
hurt.
tried,
Pull his neck
just
too
in
much
Colorado.
toward
Little
the
thoroughbred
But
mare.
he has got some nice,
But I was only there for breaks, so it'd be like winter break and a little in the summer I was there at Maria's. So I really wasn't around that much. It'd just be like here and there.
bonus that is
Every 4 summers I was at Maria's for like 3 months. I'd come from South Dakota, be at home like a week, go out to Maryland.
you see a lot of horses
Oh,
forward.
okay, that Maria, okay.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
Well, that is, yeah.
that was fun.
Yeah.
She had some nice horses.
I bet. Still has some nice horses.
And for his size
That's just
and
it.
breed and
Ever
everything.
seen him get that cookie horse?
Yeah.
He's something else.
I seen you teasing her about going with whiskers and scissors.
Yeah. He's nice. I saw him. I was out there 2 years ago to visit. Her sister Brennan.
Yeah.
That big chestnut brand. Yeah, big waist.
Yeah.
Remember I spoke on
Oh, when I was on testing, it is wearing like just a freaking massage, like a 7. It's like, yeah, you're playing right.
Yeah.
Anyone else would be like, this is the epitome of all my goals. Just playing around.
15 more tenths in a row today, just goofing around.
Oh my god, I'm kidding. I remember the first time when she had the first horse she trained all the way to Grand Prix. And I was there the morning I was cleaning up, and I was getting the next horse ready for the ride. And he was like